Here's an application actually of
Yes.
okay, yeah. Tell us the kind of thought. Then we subtract this kind of uh, uh, portion of a circle, okay? And this area going to be proportional. This whole area, the portion of the circle taken out. Then we will get this irregular shape because I don't think there's any mathematical formula we can apply directly to calculate this irregular shape, right? You know, for a triangle, we know well, space multiply height divided by 2. For a circle, it's pi r squared, and we know formulas for other regular shapes, but for this one, we don't have a good idea. But how to calculate the shape, area of this triangle? Well, we either figure out base multiplied by height, okay? Well, or if we would know the three sides of triangle, then we can use what is called Heron's formula, right? Heron's formula, the calculator. But that's very complicated. Here, know that here, BC is tangent to the circle. And with that as given, okay, given that, then we will know that the angle here, CBO, is right triangle. That's called kind of theorem or axiom. So if there is a line that is tangent to a circle, intersects at a tangent point, then if we connect the tangent point and the center of a circle, and the line and the second line forms a right triangle. Do you see that here? Okay, so CBO is right triangle. Wow, we're getting much closer than the answer looks like. As long as we can figure out the length of BC and the length of OB, we can figure out the total area here, right? Remember that in general, you will be given a sufficient set of statistics or information. That is, every single piece of information given to you by the question, you got to use that. So we just use, well, sometimes one piece of information can provide multiple kind of statistics or provides multiple pieces of hidden information. And here is basically, I think, only one, okay, tangent, okay? Then we go on, and A lies on segment OC. Okay, that's what we also see here. If OB, but that's a second condition here. OB equal to OC equal to 6. So OB is 6. AC is 6. Okay? OB is 6. AC is 6. What does that mean? Well, because we know OA is also radius, equivalent of OB. So OA equal to OB equal to AC. So OA equal to AC, that means what? OC is double of OB. So here, I probably should use my pen to. So here we have a right triangle here, right? That's given. And we know this three lines, they're equivalent. Okay, so OA is equal to OB, and AC is equal to OB. Thus, OA equal to AC. You see that? And thus, OC is twice the length of OB. So this is 2. OC is 2. OB is 1. Can anyone tell me the angle here of OBA or OBC and BCO? Anyone? What's the angle here for BOC? For BOC, I would say, given the fact that OC is twice of OB. Right. So this is 6, right? This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. So actually, OC here is actually equal to 12. Right? OB is 6. And can we figure out what is BC? Well, before that, just given the fact that OBC is right angle, OC is 12, OB is 6, OC is twice of OB. James, do we know angle here?
60.
Yeah, 60 degree. Okay. So that's a 60 degree. Very good. That's a 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. How do I know? Because people might want to ask. Well, we can flip back a couple of slides, and you will see that actually, so let's say we have a ratio here, OB over OC. And OB over OC is the sine of what? Angle C, right? Angle C here. And I know this is 2. If this is 2, excuse me, this is 1/2. If I know this is 1/2, there's 1-to-1 correspondence, okay? Because this is a sine, okay? So this is sine C. If sine C is 1/2, then I can figure out C is equal to 30 degrees. And this is 60 degree. And if this is 60 degree, okay, that's 30 degree. Okay, we can quickly figure out what is BC. What is BC here? BC here would be, if I remember correctly, it's going to be, I believe, it's going to be 6 square root of 3. Double check, I'm not sure. Okay, so if BC is 6 square root of 3, then what's the area of this triangle? Okay, it's going to be 6 square root of 3 multiplied by 6, right? Because BC is the base and OB is the height, and divided by 2. That's the area in the triangle, right? Then we're going to subtract out, the whole kind of portion, 60 degree, the area that corresponds to the center angle of 60 degree of this circle, okay? And that's going to be 1/6, right? Right? Because 60 degree out of 360, that's 1/6. Then we calculate the area. It's pi what? R square. What is R? That's 6 square. And we cancel out, and here we get what? 18 square root of 3 minus 6 pi. Looks like the answer is B.